Do you want to earn $10,000 per month without working 9 to 5? Imagine a life where your income flows in even as you sleep. We're about to delve into 6 diverse streams of passive income. Stay tuned to learn how to make this a reality. Welcome to our guide on how to make $10,000 per month with passive income streams. We're about to unlock the secrets of 6 different strategies that could help you achieve this financial goal. So, without further ado, let's dive into our first passive income strategy. The first passive income stream is investing in dividend stocks. This involves buying shares in companies that pay out dividends, essentially sharing their profits with you. It's a long-term strategy, providing a steady income over time. Moving to our second passive income stream. The second passive income stream is creating and selling digital products online. This method can be incredibly lucrative, requiring minimal ongoing effort after the initial setup. From ebooks to online courses, the possibilities are endless. Next, we have a classic passive income stream. The third passive income stream is renting out property for monthly rental income. This strategy turns the tables on the traditional homeowner narrative. Instead of paying for a roof over your head, you're getting paid for providing one. The fourth passive income stream involves the online world. The fourth passive income stream is affiliate marketing. Imagine earning money while you sleep by promoting products or services of a business and receiving a commission for every purchase made through your referral. Our fifth passive income stream involves creating content. The fifth passive income stream is creating and monetizing a YouTube channel or podcast. By providing valuable content and amassing a loyal following, you can earn advertising revenue and even secure sponsorships. Last but not least, our final passive income stream. The sixth and final passive income stream is developing and selling an online course or ebook. This strategy leverages your unique knowledge and skills. By creating a course or ebook once, you can sell it repeatedly, earning passive income for years. Now, let's wrap things up. You've just learned 6 powerful strategies for generating passive income. From dividend stocks to digital products, rental properties, affiliate marketing, YouTube or podcast monetization, and online courses or ebooks. Each offers a unique avenue towards your financial goals, but don't stop here. Ready to start your journey towards $10,000 per month? There are more strategies waiting for you in our other videos. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section, subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you for watching, and remember, your financial freedom is just a few passive income streams away.